Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. As I promised yesterday that I'm gonna go to another Durga Maa shrine in Durga Puja shrine in Dhaka city. So that's why I came here in the Dhakeshwari Temple in Dhaka city south. And now it's really crowded now, but still trying to get in, and let's see what happens. Probably will be able to make it in because probably according to the news channels all the rituals are over. So let's see, but still they're gonna do the Visarjan at 3 p.m. so I don't know I'm gonna stay that long or not. So let's go inside and show you guys what is happening and what happened for last 10 days or something like that. So let's go in Dhakeshwari Temple, Polashi, Dhaka city north. Let's go. Hey guys, you guys have seen there is too loud to talk. They are playing like super high volume music. So now came inside the main section of the temple, Dhakeshwari Mata temple. So and there is the Puja Mandap. That is also a permanent Durga Maa shrine. So they also uses it for Durga Puja every year as well. So there is also a mela going on in here. You guys have already seen the mela. So yeah, there is nothing much to talk about. Just enjoy the FPV POV. And I don't know if I'll be able to use the sound because of copyright violation. So let's see what happens. Or I have to use a music from a copyright-free website or something. So let's see what happens. And now waiting, like resting for a bit inside the main temple, and probably will go inside and show you the main Dhakeshwari Mata shrine. So let's see what happens. this was it, and it was too loud to vlog inside. They are playing music in so loud that you can't even hear any sound other than the sound of the music. So now this was it. They are gonna do the Visarjan in 3 p.m. or something. So that's gonna be like a rally or something. I don't know if I'm gonna wait that long, but I don't think that will be worth, because it's probably not gonna be worth it. Or can watch it at home in news. So yeah, so this was it, guys. I brought you guys with me as I promised yesterday in the Bonani shrine. So yeah, hope you guys loved the video. There wasn't much to vlog about. It's just the national temple of Bangladesh, and Dhakeshwari Mata temple, and Dhaka city is also named after this goddess Dhakeshwari and Dhaka city. So yeah, so these are the informations, and nothing much to talk about. So hope you guys loved the video, and hope you guys gonna subscribe to my channel, and got lots of new subscribers when I got inside the temple. So anyways, when you guys watch my video, like and share it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you guys in the next one. Shubho Vijayadashami, and also Shubho Dussehra. Dussehra is today is also Vijayadashami and Dussehra, because Dussehra is when Sri Ram killed the demon king Ravana. So that is also an information I wanted to share. So anyways, hope you guys loved the video, and see you guys in the next